Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter Vector Algebra. Last class we discussed the fundamentals of the vector. Okay. Now Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the fundamentals of the vectors and some related problems. Today we are going to discuss the product of two vectors. There are two types of product of two vectors, that is dot product or scalar product, and number two is cross product or vector product. Let's discuss about scalar product or dot product. Okay, now dot product or scalar product. Dot product or scalar product of vectors So what is dot product and scalar product? Suppose this is a vector A and this is another vector B. If the angle between two vector is theta, then what is the dot product? Let definition, let theta be the angle between two vectors A and B, then their dot product is denoted by A dot B and defined as A dot B is equal to what? A dot B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B and cos theta, or simply A dot B is equal to what? AB cos theta. Magnitude of A means simple A and magnitude of B means simple B. This is the dot product of two vectors. Clear? Now where theta is angle B. Now when theta is equal to what? When theta is equal to 90 degree. Note or case 1. If theta is equal to suppose 0 degree, then what? A dot B is equal to what? AB cos 0, that is A magnitude of A into magnitude of B, or A dot B is equal to what? AB, because cos 0 here, because that implies what? A dot B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos 0. So what is value of cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. Okay, this is case 1. If theta is equal to 90 degree, then what happens here? A dot B is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos 90 degree. Cos 90 value 0. So magnitude of A into magnitude of B, and this is 0. So that implies A dot B is equal to 0. Then two vectors are perpendicular. This is condition for, this is case 2. Okay, this is condition for perpendicular. So this is condition for two vectors A and B are perpendicular. Clear? Now case 3, if theta is equal to 180 degree, then A dot B is equal to what? Magnitude of A, magnitude B, and cos 180 degree. That is my A dot B is equal to what? Cos 180 degree, value -1, so minus AB. Okay, so now square of a vector. Notes, square of a vector. Let A be a vector, then its square indicates a magnitude, that is a square, its square, then its square is a scalar quantity, okay, scalar quantity. Now that is A dot A is equal to magnitude A into magnitude A and cos, this is 0 degree. So that implies A dot A is equal to what? A square. A dot A is equal to what? A square. Clear? Then dot product of orthogonal unit vectors, that is I dot I is equal to what? 1. J dot J is equal to 1. K dot K is equal to 1. I dot J is equal to 0. Okay, then J dot K is equal to 0 and I dot K is equal to 0. Correct? So now calculation of A dot B. Let A is equal to vector A is equal to A1 I cap, A2 J cap, A3 K cap. Vector B is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. Then A dot B is calculated by using the formula A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. This is the formula to calculate dot product. Now angle between two vectors, angle between two vectors, angle between two vectors. Let A and B are two vectors, then we know we have A dot B is equal to what? A dot B is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. That implies cos theta is equal to A dot B. Cos theta is equal to A dot D divided by magnitude A into magnitude of B. This is the formula to find angle. So theta is equal to what? Cos inverse A dot B divided by what? Magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Okay. Now if vector A equal to I cap 3j cap minus 4 cap, vector B equal to 6i minus 2j plus 3k, find A dot B. So solution A vector is equal to what? I 3j minus 4k and B vector is equal to 6i minus 2j plus 3k. Now A dot B is equal to what? 6 into 1 into 6, 6, 3 into minus 6, 6, minus 12. This is what? Minus 12. It is a scalar quantity. Okay. Another question. This is question. Another question. If A vector equal to 2i plus lambda j minus 3k cap. B vector is equal to 4i minus j plus k. This is the question. Okay. If A equal this, if A equal this and B equal this, find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda so that vector A is perpendicular to vector B. Solution: A perpendicular to B implies A dot B is equal to 0. What is A dot B? 2 into 4, 8. Lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies 5 minus lambda equal to 0. That implies lambda is equal to 5. Find the angle between two vectors A and B. Find the angle between two vectors where A is equal to I cap j cap minus 3 cap and B equal to 4i minus 2j plus k. Solution: given A is equal to what? A is equal to I cap j cap minus 3k cap. That implies magnitude of A is equal to square root of what? 1 square 1 plus 1 plus 9 root over 11. Again B is equal to what? B is equal to 4i minus 2j plus k cap, and mode magnitude of B is equal to what? Magnitude of B is equal to, that is root of 4 square 16 minus 2 square 4 and 1 root over 21. Now A dot B is equal to what? A dot B is equal to what is 1 into 4, 4 minus 2 minus 3. This is equal to what? Minus 1. Now we know angle between two vectors. We know angle between two vectors. Two vectors A and B is equal to what? Angle between two vectors A and B is theta is equal to cos inverse A dot B divided by cos inverse A dot B divided by what? Divided by magnitude A, magnitude B. So this is equal to theta is equal to cos inverse A dot B means minus 1 divided by root over 11 into root over 21. Multiply this. Okay. Multiply this or root over. Then geometrical meaning of scalar products. What do you mean by projection? Projection of a line segment. Projection of a line segment upon another line. Upon another line. Projection of a line segment upon another line. Okay. Suppose this is line AB. This is line AB and this is line PQ. Suppose this is line PQ. Projection means what? You have to draw the perpendicular from the point A and from the point B. Okay. Suppose this is P and this is Q. What is the projection of AB on PQ on the line L? Suppose this is line L is equal to the distance of PQ. Actually, projection, suppose this is theta. Suppose this is theta, so draw perpendicular here theta. Okay, so this is equal to suppose AM. Okay, so projection of a line segment, projection of a line segment upon another line, upon another line is the length of the feet of the perpendicular, is the length of feet of perpendicular drawn from the line endpoints of line segment upon the line, upon another line. In the figure projection of AB on L is what? PQ distance is equal to what? PQ distance. Against in triangle ABM, so cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to B by H. AM by what? H means AB distance. So cos theta is equal to AM is equal to what? AM equal to PQ distance by AB distance. So PQ is equal to what? PQ is equal to mod AB into magnitude of AB. PQ is equal to, or PQ distance is equal to magnitude of what? This is magnitude AB cos theta. Therefore projection of AB on L is what? Magnitude of AB into cos theta, where theta is angle between line and AB. Now geometrical meaning of vector, geometrical meaning of scalar product or dot product. Suppose this is vector A, okay, and this is what? Vector B. Suppose this is O and this is what? A and this is B. Suppose this is B. What is mean by projection? Draw a perpendicular. Suppose this is M. Okay, this is equal to M. Then projection of A on the vector B. Then this is scalar projection. Okay, M is the scalar projection. We know A dot B, and this is theta. Suppose A dot B is equal to what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. Suppose this is equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1. In figure, in triangle OAM, in triangle OM, cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to, that is OM by what? Cos theta is equal to OM by OA. So this is equal to what? Cos theta OM magnitude by A magnitude. So OM is equal to what? A cos theta is equal to OM magnitude. Now from 1 from 1, that is A dot B is equal to what? OM is equal to what? That is OM is equal to projection of A on vector B. So it is equal to A dot B is equal to what? A dot from equation 1, that is magnitude of B, and this is A cos theta is equal to OM. So that is A dot B is equal to magnitude of B into scalar projection of vector A on B. That implies scalar projection of vector A on B is equal to A dot B divided by what? Magnitude B. This is the formula. Okay, from this we get, right, projection of A on B is equal to A dot B by mod A. That is projection of scalar projection, that is scalar projection. Simple projection means scalar projection. Scalar projection formula: scalar projection of vector A on B is equal to A dot B divided by magnitude B. Similarly, scalar projection of B on A is equal to what? Is equal to A dot B divided by magnitude A. On A means divided by magnitude A. On B means divided by magnitude B. Now vector position of A on B. Now vector position. This is scalar projection. This is scalar projections, and now this is vector position. Vector position of A on B. Vector projection of A on B is equal to what? A dot B divided by magnitude B. This is scalar and multiplied by direction, that is B cap. So this is equal to A dot B divided by what? Magnitude B square, simple multiplication B vector. This is a vector quantity. Okay, now vector projection of B on A. Similarly, that is A dot B divided by magnitude A square, simple multiply A vector. This is also a vector. This is also a what? Vector quantity. Now questions are related to the scalar position and vector position. Find the scalar position. Question: find the scalar projection of the vector I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap upon the vector I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap. Also find the vector projection of this is suppose vector A and this is suppose vector B. I minus j, vector B is equal to I minus j minus 2k. Okay, this is vector A. The vector of the vector A is equal to, also find the vector position of A on B. So the formula is what? Solution given A vector is equal to I k plus 2j k plus 3k k, and B vector is equal to what? I minus j minus 2k. A dot B is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 6, plus 2 minus 2 goes cancel. This is 1 into 1, 2 into minus 1. Okay, so minus 8, that is minus 7. Now magnitude of B is equal to what? Magnitude of B is equal to root over 1 plus 1 plus 4, so root 6. Scalar projection of A on B. Scalar projection of vector A on vector B is equal to A dot B divided by magnitude of B. So A dot B is equal to what? Minus 7 by magnitude of B. Magnitude of B means what? Root 6. Now vector projection of A on B. Vector projection of A on B is equal to, vector position of A on B is equal to, vector position of A on B is equal to what? A dot B divided by magnitude B square, simple multiply B vector. So A dot B is equal to minus 6 divided by root over 6 whole square into what? B vector, that is I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap. So this is equal to 7 by 6 into I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap. This is the answer. Now resolution of components along, resolution of component of a vector along another vector or perpendicular to another vector. Now component of a vector along the vector, given vector, and perpendicular to the given vector. Now components of vector A along the vector B is given by the, what is this, and given by A dot B magnitude of B whole square into simple multiplying B. This is same as the vector projection of A and B. This is component of the vector. Now another formula, that is components of vector A, component of vector A, perpendicular to the vector B, perpendicular to the vector B. So is given by vector A minus A dot B divided by magnitude B square into simple multiply B vector. This is B vector. These are two formulae how to find the component of the vector along the vector and perpendicular to the vector. Clear? Now proof of this, proof. Suppose this is A vector and this is what? This is B vector. This is B vector and this is A vector. and this is suppose a vector. Draw a perpendicular O A and this is what? M. Clear? So this is a vector. Now the component of vector A along B is what? OM distance, that is magnitude, OM magnitude into what? B cap. So OM magnitude, this is what is OM? That is equal to OM means what? Projection of, this is what? Vector projection of, this is projection of vector A on B. OM means what? Scalar projection. Scalar projection of A on B into B cap. So this is equal to what? That is A dot B divided by magnitude B into B cap. So this is A dot B into magnitude B, and B cap means what? B vector by magnitude B. So which is equal to what? Which is equal to, this is equal to what? A dot B by magnitude B whole square into simply multiply B. Now second, another proof. This is first proof. Then second proof is what? Now second proof is proof number 2. This is proof number 1 and proof number 2. Proof 2. The component of vector A perpendicular to the vector B. The component of vector A perpendicular to vector B. So this is what? This is vector, suppose this is O and A, this is vector A and this is perpendicular, this is suppose M, and this is what? Vector B. This is vector B. Now this is AM. This is, so let OA is equal to A vector, OB is equal to B vector. Now the component of A perpendicular to B is what? Is MA vector. By in triangle OAM, that is what? OB vector plus MA vector is equal to what? Is equal to OA vector. So OB vector is equal to what? The vector position. That is OB vector is what? MA vector is equal to OA vector minus OB vector. So MA vector is equal to OB vector means, OA vector means what? A vector. OB vector means what? Vector position of A on B. This is vector projection of A on B. So this is equal to what? This is equal to the vector position of A on B. Clear? Now this is component of A perpendicular to B. Clear? So OA equal to A vector, OB equal to B vector. Then the component of A perpendicular to B is what? This is MA vector. So in triangle OM, this plus this is equal to what? A vector, that is OA. And OB plus MA equal to A, OA equal to MA is equal to what? OA minus OB. OA means what? A vector. OB means what? Vector position of A on B. Now what is the formula for vector position of A on B? That is A dot B by magnitude B square into B. This is the concept. Now some problems. Find the vector. Find the component, vector component or component of A. Find the component of A that is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap along and perpendicular to the vector B, which is equal to 2y plus j plus k. This is the question. So what is your solution? A is equal to what? I cap plus j cap minus k cap, and B is equal to 2i cap plus j cap plus k cap. Magnitude B is equal to what? Magnitude B is equal to, that is what? 4 plus 1 plus 1 root 6. Now component of vector A along the vector B. Component vector of A along B is equal to, formula is what? The formula is the vector position A dot B by magnitude B in whole square into B vector. So what is A dot B here? So A dot B is equal to what? 1 into 2 2, 1 into 1 1, minus 1. So answer is what? A dot B is equal to here 2. A dot B is equal to, put the value 2 by magnitude B root 6 whole square into B, means 2y plus j plus k. So that is 2 by 6, 1 by 3 into what? 2y plus j plus k cap. This is the component of vector A along B. Now component of vector A perpendicular to B. Component vector of A perpendicular to the vector B. Vector B is equal to what? A minus is equal to A minus A dot B divided by magnitude B whole square into B. Now what is A vector? A vector is equal to what? What is A vector? A vector is equal to, that is I cap plus j cap, I cap plus j cap minus k cap, minus A dot B means what? A dot B is equal to, that is 2 by root 6 square, that is 2 by 6 into vector B, that is 2i plus j, 2y plus j plus k, 2i plus j plus k. Okay, now this is what? 3. So 3i, so what? 3i plus 3j minus 3k minus 2y minus j minus k by what? 3. Okay, now from last step, what happens here? This is equal to 3i minus 2y. This is equal to what? This is equal to I. 3i minus 2y is equal to I. So 1 by 3 here. I 3j minus 2j plus j and 3k minus k minus 4k. Clear? This is the component vector of A perpendicular to the vector B. Now some questions from books, textbook. Now some properties of dot product. Properties of dot product. Properties of dot product. Number one, commutative. Dot product is commutative. Dot product of two vectors is commutative. That is A dot B is equal to B dot A. Okay. Number two, that is properties of dot product. Number one, commutative. Dot product of two vector is commutative. Okay. Now distributive property. Distributive property. What is distributive property? That is A dot B vector plus C vector is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Now some dot that is some property based on what? Some property based on the scalar product. Some other properties of scalar product. Some other properties of scalar product. Some other property of scalar product. Now what is other properties? If M and N are, first property, are two scalars, then what? M into A dot B is equal to MA dot B, or is equal to what? A dot MB. Clear? Number B, suppose this is M plus N. Suppose dot A, that is equal to MA plus what? M A vector. This is what? M plus N, and this is A plus B dot is equal to, this is equal to what? Now scalar factor, that is what? Mn are two scalars. Then suppose M into A dot B is equal to MA dot B. This is dot B. Okay. MA dot B and A dot MB. This is the property regarding the scalar. Okay. Now another property is what? Now another property is, suppose, what is there? Another property, or you can write here Mn, M into N dot A dot B. We can write here what? M A dot NB, or we can write A dot Mn. These are the, in dot B, these are the some properties of the dot product. Now one question. Now this is now for any vector R, R dot I dot J, R dot J and R dot K is equal to what? Dot K equal to R vector. Proof let r is equal to r vector is equal to xi cap, yj cap, zk cap. So r dot I is equal to what? That is I dot I is what? 1. This is x into 1. I dot j means 0 and I dot k, that is what? 0. So this is equal to what? R dot I is equal to x. Similarly r dot j is equal to y, r dot k is equal to z. Now what? R dot I r dot j r dot k cap dot k cap. This is what? xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, which is nothing but r vector, hence proved. Okay, then this is the proof. If any vector r is equal, for any vector r, then prove that r into I, r dot I, r dot j, r dot k is equal to what? R vector. Clear? So, some basic notes, that is what? Note a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square, and vector a plus vector b whole square is equal to what? That is vector a plus vector b whole square, or this is magnitude whole square is equal to a square, that is magnitude a square plus magnitude b square plus what? 2 into a dot b. This is what? This is a plus b whole square is equal to magnitude of a plus magnitude b, and magnitude of a, that is 2a dot b into what? Cos theta. Okay, 2ab dot cos theta. Similarly for minus, this is minus. Okay, this is minus. So prove that. One question is for you, that is prove that if that is if, this is question, if a plus b dot a minus b is equal to what? 0, then show that magnitude of a is equal to magnitude of b. This is the question. So solution, that is what? A plus b vector dot a minus b vector is equal to 0. So what is here? A dot a means what? Magnitude a square, and minus a dot b and plus b dot a and b dot b, that is minus here, so minus magnitude b square is equal to 0. So this a dot b is equal to b dot a, so cancel. So magnitude of a square minus magnitude of b square is equal to 0. So magnitude of a is equal to magnitude of b. Okay, now another question. Prove that two vectors are perpendicular if and only if what? Two vectors are perpendicular if and only if a plus b magnitude square is equal to magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square. This is the question. So this is the question. So what? Let solution, that is implies part means what? Let A perpendicular to B to prove magnitude A plus B magnitude square is equal to magnitude A square plus magnitude B square. So by the formula, that is A plus B magnitude square means what? Magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 into A dot B. This is the formula. So since A dot, that is what? That is equal to magnitude of A plus magnitude of B plus 2 into 0. Why? Because A vector perpendicular to B vector, that implies A dot B is equal to 0. So prove this is into 0. So this is equal to magnitude A square plus magnitude B square. So proved. Now implied part, reverse part. If A magnitude A plus B magnitude is whole square is equal to magnitude A square plus magnitude, to prove A dot B is equal to 0. Simple thing, expand this. So magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus 2 into A dot B is equal to what? This is B square. So magnitude A square plus magnitude B square. Okay, this goes cancel and this goes cancel. So 2 into A dot B is equal to 2 into A dot B equal to 0. That implies what? A dot B is equal to 0. That implies A perpendicular to B. A perpendicular to B. Okay, these are the some fundamental concepts of dot product and some problems of the dot product. Okay, in next class we will do some problems, more problems relating the dot product. Thank you. Have a nice day.